Hello my friends, how are you? I've just got this metal gun barrel coming from China. It's for the Miniart Panzer IV specifically, so it is actually for this kit, and they've just released it. And I've measured it up with the one in the box. That's exactly the right size, and that's perfect. So it looks very nice, that. And that just slips on top there. Like that. You give it a bit of glue or whatnot. So that's going to come up a lot better than the plastic ones they've got in there, because they've got the plastic ones in there. Did I leave it in there? I'm not sure. Oh, there it is. Good, it was right at the top. So that's the plastic one. And you can see there's all that to clean up. It's not a very great thing. And this is exactly the same size. Well, yeah, you can see that. And it's got the same groove thing at the back. Don't get the Tamiya one, that's different. You see? So that's cool. And you get all this ammunition. Like, look how much they put in. I think they put in the same amount that's in the actual kit. And I measured them up against the kit ones, and yep, they're right size. Just a tiny little bit smaller. Just a tiny bit. But they look good, don't they? There's a little bit of cleanup to do on the bottom. So it looks like, you know, that's where they've machined it from. And you've got all the different types of ammo too that the Miniart has included. So you got a bag of that ammo. You got a bag of this stuff. See the different types. And then these smaller ones here. It's pretty cool. Not bad. I'm really actually happy that came in. So that was 40 Australian dollars all up for all that, which is not too bad. And it's just come out, so they just released it, and as soon as they released it, I was like, I might grab one of those. Wicked. So yeah, I'm going to put that in that box with that, and now we can make this really awesome. Much better now. Alright. That's just a quick one. Show you the new metal gun barrels from China. I'll show you the package it came in, so if you want to grab one, you can. I'm not sure because it's all in Chinese. So that's the only English there is. Chow New model ship. Yeah, it's all Chinese. That's where it came in, so it's like a shark or something. It's a model ship. Well, maybe they meant to say model shop. And it's from Miniart scene. Alright guys, they're the lads I'm working on. I will see you again soon.